Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Vevor Inflatable Tents, those budget-friendly glamping tents blowing up on YouTube and TikTok. At $200 to $400, they're way cheaper than competitors, but do they actually hold up for family camping? Let's break down real user experiences. So Vevor makes inflatable camping tents, ranging from 3-person to 16-person sizes, priced between $200 to $400. They're made from Oxford fabric with inflatable air columns instead of traditional poles. Setup takes 10 to 15 minutes with a hand pump, and they feature stove jacks, multiple doors, mesh windows, and rainfly covers. Think of it as budget glamping, spacious bell tent style without the luxury price tag. But does it actually work? Here's what real users report. Setup is genuinely fast and easy. Multiple reviews confirm it takes 10 minutes max to inflate and stake down, with one user saying their 6-year-old grandson helped pump it up. The tents are surprisingly spacious. Users report comfortably fitting queen-size mattresses with plenty of headroom even for 6'4" people. Weather resistance gets high marks. One user left their tent up for 6 days through heavy thunderstorms and said it held up well, with only minor water at the bottom of the support posts. Another camped along the Atlantic shore in high winds and said the tent didn't budge. Users consistently praise how well these tents handled rain and wind. The major problems. First, water leakage issues. While the tent body holds up, multiple users report water coming through the zipper areas if you don't properly cover them with the rainfly. Some found water pooling at the bottom of the air column posts after heavy rain. Second, pump quality is inconsistent. At least one user reported the pump breaking on first use, needing tape to work. For a tent that requires inflation, a broken pump is a deal breaker. Third, construction weak points. Users note that stick tabs are poorly sewn and can fall apart. Plastic clinching straps break easily, and zips aren't as sturdy as expected. These are flexible with needle and thread, but for a brand new tent, that's disappointing. Fourth, the tent is heavy. Multiple reviews warn you'll need at least 2 people for setup, and transporting it requires significant space. This isn't a lightweight backpacking tent, it's car camping only. However, what makes it worth considering is the value proposition is real. Users consistently say, I didn't expect much for the price, but I was impressed. One reviewer noted that competitors like RPM sell the exact same tent for way more money. You're just paying for the brand name difference. The spacious interior gets rave reviews. One user said they've never been so comfortable in a tent, using a queen-size bed with perfect cross breeze. Another has been living in the tent all summer with no issues. At least one user reported using their Vevor tent for 2 years with continued satisfaction, saying it's amazing at keeping things dry in stormy weather and lets the breeze blow through when hot. The final verdict, Vevor inflatable tents are worth it for budget-conscious families. At $200 to $400, you're getting spacious, weather-resistant tents that set up in 10 minutes. Yes, there are construction weak points and quality inconsistencies, but most users report being pleasantly surprised by performance relative to cost. If you need premium durability, spend more on established brands. But if you want affordable glamping with good enough quality, Vevor delivers solid value. Just inspect everything carefully when it arrives and be prepared to reinforce weak points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.